Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and let me show you how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first you need to reach settings, then find and select security and privacy. Scroll a bit lower and here you will notice install unknown apps, smoothly marker. And here you can allow some source by tapping on the switcher right next to its icon. And that's it. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Just remember that those apps can put your phone and also all data at risk, but it's up to you. So all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to activate or deactivate installation from particular app. So that's it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.